Good afternoon, student. Today I am going to teach you about the mitochondria. It is also another cell organelles which are found in the eukaryotic cells. These are absent in the prokaryotic cell. This mitochondria is also known as powerhouse of the cell. Why this name is here powerhouse? Because it produces energy in the form of ATP. In the form of ATP. So it is called the powerhouse of the cell. Here is structure. What is mitochondria? What is the structure of the mitochondria? It is the long, rod, oval cell. It is found in the eukaryotic cell. So its structure is ultrastructure. What is ultrastructure? When you see under the microscope. So under the microscope, these structures are seen, and it is the double unit membrane. It is surrounded by double unit membrane. First membrane is outer membrane and second is inner membrane. And this inner membrane forms so many foldings which are known as the cristae. This structure is clear here. It is the double unit membrane, outer membrane and inner membrane. These membranes are made up of unit membrane structure which are told you in previous classes. This membrane had the special type of structure which are called the unit membrane. It means this membrane is made up of protein. Upper and lower layer is made up of protein, and in between the protein double bilayer phospholipids are present. So here all of you see outer membrane is this and inner membrane form the parallel structure and broad structure, and these broad structures are known as cristae. Or you can say it is from the finger-like projection or the finger-like structure. So it is called the cristae. On this cristae, this type of structure is formed, and this type of structure is called the knob-like structure. इस तरह से घुंडी जैसे स्ट्रक्चर्स इसके ऊपर बने होते हैं क्रिस्टी के ऊपर. So it is called the F1 particle, or it is also known as the F1 particle is also known as the oxysomes. It consists of oxysomes consist of respiratory enzymes. All of you in class of 9, what are enzymes? Enzymes क्या होते हैं? Enzymes are catalysts which will study in the chemistry. They increase or inhibit the rate of the reactions here also, and also stimulate the reactions, catalyze the reactions. So here F1 particle consists of respiratory enzyme. जो एंजाइम्स होते हैं किसी भी रिएक्शन के रेट को इंक्रीज कर देते हैं या इनहिबिट कर देते हैं. इनके प्रेजेंस में कोई रिएक्शन फास्ट होता है या कोई रिएक्शन जो है धीमे होता है. सो इट इज कॉल्ड द एंजाइम. ये दिस टाइप ऑफ कंपाउंड्स एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ सब्सटेंस आर प्रेजेंट इन द सेल. सो F1 particle consists of enzymes. Here ribosomes are present, and these all cristae consist of knob-like structure which are known as the F1 particle. In between the cristae, matrix are present. These matrix are proteinous in nature, and this matrix consists of DNA. Its DNA ये अपना DNA रखता है, क्योंकि यदि कभी बाई चांस माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया यदि डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाती है तो ये अपना DNA खुद बना लेता है. एंड आल्सो कंसिस्ट ऑफ राइबोसोम. So it is the structure of the mitochondria. It is well developed in eukaryotic cells and it is not well developed or absent in prokaryotic cell. So it is the structure of mitochondria. Mitochondria surrounded होता है double unit membrane, double membrane, outer membrane and inner membrane. All membrane structures are made up of unit membrane and it consists of parallel and broad structures which are known as cristae. On this cristae, knob-like structures are present which are known as F1 particle and this F1 particle also known as the oxysomes. In between the membrane, matrix are present and these matrix are proteinous in nature और इसमें राइबोसोम्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं और डीएनए प्रेजेंट होता है। इन कभी-कभी किसी कारणवश यदि माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाती है then it is reappear and reconstructed. So DNA यहाँ प्रेजेंट होने के नाते माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इज आल्सो कॉल्ड द सेल्फ ऑटोनॉमस बॉडी। ये इनको हम सेल्फ ऑटोनॉमस बॉडी भी कहते हैं और इसका फंक्शन है कि मैन्युफैक्चरिंग द ATP. ATP is its full form is adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphates, its full form. So ATP is found in the mitochondria. ATP is formed in the mitochondria by the reaction of the respiration. जब जो हम डाइट लेते हैं, डाइट के बाद इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन ये डाइट ब्रेक होते हैं और फिर उसके बाद उसमें एनर्जी रिलीज होती है ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन। ये पूरी प्रोसेस जो होती है, सारे रिएक्शंस जो है इस माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में होते हैं। रिएक्शन रेस्पिरेशन की जो सेकेंड पार्ट है क्रेब्स साइकिल, it is found in the within the mitochondria. So there is production of energy in the form of ATP. So mitochondria का function क्या हो गया? It produces the ATP for the cell. जहाँ भी जरूरत होती है एनर्जी की, ये ATP टूटते हैं और एनर्जी को रिलीज करते हैं। So एनर्जी ये देता है हर जगह, जो भी पार्ट है बॉडी में या जो भी सेल्स हैं, टिश्यूज हैं जिनको एनर्जी की आवश्यकता होती है वो माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया से मिलती है। सो इट इज कॉल्ड द पावर हाउस ऑफ द सेल। इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल स्टडी अबाउट द structure of the chloroplast and function. Thank you.